Welcome to this week's edition of Respiratory Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs, brought to you by Lucid Quest. Adherium Limited has reported significant findings from its iCARE study, showing a remarkable 235% increase in medication adherence with the Hailie Smartinhaler in COPD and asthma patients. The study, involving 850 patients from 5 US healthcare facilities, revealed a marked improvement in adherence compared to typical rates. This positions Adherium's platform as a potential game-changer in improving patient outcomes and reducing healthcare costs in respiratory care. The National Asthma Council Australia has updated its asthma treatment guidelines, advising against using short-acting beta agonists as a standalone treatment. Instead, the new guidelines recommend inhaled corticosteroid-containing therapies as the first-line treatment, emphasizing a more anti-inflammatory approach. This shift could influence global asthma treatment practices and reduce the risk of exacerbations for asthma patients. aTyr Pharma has announced Phase 3 results for its drug efzofitimod in pulmonary sarcoidosis. While the drug did not meet its primary endpoint for corticosteroid dose reduction, significant improvements in lung function and steroid reduction were observed in the 5 mg per kilogram group. This opens the door for further FDA discussions regarding the future use of efzofitimod in treating sarcoidosis. In a major move, GSK has committed $30 billion to R&D and manufacturing investments in the United States over the next 5 years. This includes a $1.2 billion biologics factory focused on developing new respiratory and cancer therapies. This investment is set to strengthen GSK's manufacturing capabilities and further its biopharma pipeline, particularly in respiratory treatments. Areteia Therapeutics has reported positive Phase 3 results from its Exhale-4 study on oral dexpramipexole in eosinophilic asthma. The study, involving 600 patients, demonstrated strong efficacy and safety, showing improved lung function and reduced eosinophil count. If approved, dexpramipexole could become the first oral treatment for eosinophilic asthma, offering an alternative to current injectable biologic therapies. Vast Therapeutics has received a $2 million grant from the NIH to advance nitric oxide technology for treating Mycobacterium abscessus in patients with non-tuberculous mycobacterial pulmonary disease, or NTM-PD. This grant will support the development of safer and more effective treatments for this rare but life-threatening infection, bringing hope for better management of NTM-PD. AstraZeneca has provided an update on its Phase 3 Resolute trial for Fasenra in COPD. Despite showing numerical improvements, the trial did not meet its primary endpoint of reducing exacerbation rates compared to the placebo. The results may influence future treatment strategies and regulatory decisions regarding eosinophil targeting therapies for COPD. Pneumogen has launched its PneumoBind technology platform designed to enhance the delivery of intranasal therapeutics. The platform aims to extend the residence time of therapeutics on nasal mucosa, which could improve the treatment of chronic respiratory infections and other mucosal diseases. PneumoBind could revolutionize how intranasal drugs are delivered, potentially improving patient compliance. Rain Therapeutics has published data on its LTI-03 treatment for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, or IPF, highlighting its anti-fibrotic activity in lung tissue. Published in iScience, the study showed that LTI-03 can reduce lung scarring without damaging lung cells. This research offers strong potential for LTI-03 as a new therapy for IPF, addressing a significant unmet need in the treatment of fibrosis. Stay ahead in respiratory research, like, share and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare